welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Role of a parent in the development of child with good character. Parenting is definitely a long-term task for every parent. There are researches going on describing how to raise the children, how the behavior of parents should be, and so on. There are many conclusions drawn from them. Here, I want to bring a few points that help you to bring up the child with good characteristics. Definitely, the parents play a vital role in the growth of child's character. Every parent wants their child to be successful and be with good character. Here is the simple question for all. Are you working towards the development of your child with good character? Most of the parents think being very strict and restricting them in all ways keep them good. But the aspect of being good and doing good develops from the home itself. The good parenting in turn helps them to develop honesty, empathy, kindness, self-control, cheerfulness and cooperation. The below are few tips sorted out of all researches made for developing good characteristics in a child. Number 1. Know your child. Try to listen them. This helps for developing good relationships between child and parent. The child feels secured when there is confidence of having parent with good support. Number 2. Be good to them in spite of their actions. Don't try to act quickly and behave rudely. Hear the problem and the reason behind their actions. Try to explain them how to behave and take the things. This brings up good aspects of reacting to the surroundings. Number 3. Make time for children. Michelle Barber, ED, an advisory to parents and author of book named The Big Book of Parenting Solutions, quoted that to make your child good at academics and learning abilities, there is a need for patience and dedication. So spend time with your kid. This will help you to know the impact of surroundings on him. Eat and sleep with them. Play with them. Number 4. Encourage their interests. There will be hidden talent or interest in every child. Bring it out and help them in the way of learning their interest. Don't force them to do what you like to do. Number 5. Appreciate the little efforts. The appreciation is a good motivation for everyone. So do appreciate for the little good things they do at home. Then they try to inculcate the good behavior. Hug them. Pat at the back for good things they did. Number 6. Develop empathy in them. The child is taught to be kind and be empathetic to the situation. Ask them to think from the side of others and tell them to behave positively to the situations. Number 7. Calm down the child while they are electrified to the situations. Explain them how to be bold enough to face them in future. Help them to develop confidence and be self-esteemed. Number 8. Don't show up your work pressures on the child. We should not show anger or stress on the child. This psychologically affects them and depresses them. The good relationship with your partner and cooperation helps to strive away the pressures and in turn doesn't affect the child mentally. Number 9. Develop good eating habits. Parents should take interest to develop healthy and good eating habits. This helps in developing healthy mind and thinking. Number 10. Respect their aspirations. Always take interest to the things they wanted to do. Support and motivate them to achieve. Positive attitude and motivation towards them brings up healthy relationship among the child, family and society. As there is a saying, today's child is tomorrow's citizen. Thus, good parenting skills should be developed and counseling sessions to be followed for the new parents in order to achieve the goal of growing up the child with good characteristics. The child grows up looking the parent, how they are treating others, how the child is treated, how they live, spend and interact, how they spend money, any charities made by them, etc. All the actions done by the parents are imitated by children in their life. So, it is the responsibility of the parents to bring up child in good environment.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.